How to buy crypto from CoinMarketCap. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how we can buy crypto from CoinMarket. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video and find out if we can really buy the crypto from CoinMarketCap or not. For that, go ahead and launch your CoinMarket and you'll be finding this interface on your screen with your markets and different kind of cryptocurrencies available. So when you head over here, you can find watch list, overview, earn, exchanges, NFT, and different options. So unfortunately, you cannot directly buy cryptocurrency from the CoinMarketCap as it is not a crypto exchange. Instead, it only provides the market data like your watch list, your overview, your earn, your exchanges. If you really want to purchase the crypto, you need to sign up on a separate cryptocurrency exchange platform like Coinbase or Binance or Kraken and find the coin you want to buy and then place an order through that exchange. And you should also know that CoinMarketCap is not a trading platform. It only displays the information about cryptocurrencies, including the prices, the market caps, and trading volumes. To actually purchase a crypto, you need to create an account on a dedicated cryptocurrency exchange applications, and you can use the CoinMarketCap to identify the cryptocurrency you want to buy, then navigate to your chosen exchange to find and purchase it. So that is how we find out that we cannot really buy cryptocurrency from CoinMarketCap, but instead we can look up for that application to identify the cryptocurrency we want to buy and then head over to the choose an exchange to find and purchase it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.